Hi, I'm Karl Peters, the Executive Chef at the Reno-Sparks Convention Center, and we're going to make our buffalo sliders. We start off with a pretzel roll. We're going to lightly butter and toast them. And while they're toasting, we're going to make our bison. If you've never had bison, it's a really different flavor than beef is. It's a sweeter meat. And it's locally grown here, or locally raised here in Nevada. So while those are toasting off, I'm going to add to our bison some caramelized shallots, a little seasoning mix, Karl's special seasoning. I call them Karl's Magic Crystals. And show you a technique how you can do this for 1,000 people if you have to. A little 2-ounce scoop. Put a piece of paper over the top of it and another pan and push this down. You will have a perfectly formed patty that you can then toast. You can use any kind of barbecue sauce that you get in the store. Just add a little peppers to it to give it a little flavor. I'm going to slice our local mozzarella from Sandhill Dairy. I don't like to overcook my burgers. I like my burgers to be medium rare. I'm just going to top this with a little of that barbecue sauce and some crispy shallots that I took and dredged in a little flour and fried off. And there you have it, bison sliders with local mozzarella cheese, crispy shallots and spicy barbecue sauce on a pretzel roll. Enjoy.